How to remake All Dogs Go to Heaven by Suicide Boys. Let's go! Firstly, we have Days Cowbell melody. This is either sampled from this song or Scream wrote it by himself, since there's only 3 notes. Drums, 808. Here's 808 sample. Kicks. And this is sample of our kick. Heads. Sample. Snare. Here is sample. Pretty simple, isn't it? That's why Suicide Boys added those effects and effects to make it more interesting. First one is laugh. That's pretty common for Suicide Boys to use some evil laugh. To recreate that laugh, I added Valhalla Vintage Verb with those settings and a cue to remove unnecessary sounds. Next is this squeaky sample. Suicide Boys use this sample to build up before the drop, so it hits harder. Talking about the snares, we also get snare roll. The same snare, just other notes. And the last effect is this bleep sound. Let's listen to that. I added Echo Boy to recreate that sound that was in original track. Okay, effects. We have this underwater 808 effect. How to recreate that? Just simply put EQ on our 808 that first tightens the EQ range and then widens it up again. Another effect is this scratch sound. To remake that, we simply use gross beat with those settings. That's it for today's remake, and if you found it helpful, leave a like. Thank you.